Hi anime lovers, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to narrate the life events of Might Die. Please watch, subscribe, like, share and comment. Might Dai, often referred to as the Eternal Genin, was a ninja of Konohagakure. Dai spent his entire career as a genin, causing many to look down upon him and earned him the epithet of the Eternal Genin. Despite this, after 20 years of the tireless training, Dai perfected how to use all 8 gates. He later had a son, Gai, who showed little progress as a ninja himself, failing his first attempt to enter the academy. When Gai began feeling sorry for himself, Dai scolded him for not having faith and ultimately taught Gai how to use the 8 gates. One day, he and Gai met Sakumo Atake and his son Kakashi in front of the academy. Sakumo Atake assumed their sons would be classmates, only learned that Gai flunked the entrance exam. Sometime after that, Dai rescued his son and his teammates Ebisu and Genma from the 7 ninja swordsmen of the mist who had confronted the trio. Though his son argued that he was no match for the Kirigakure Nin, Dai reminded his son that he still had the 8 gates technique and would use it under the very same condition of use he created, the protection of someone precious to him. In the anime, Dai's efforts ultimately killed 4 members of the famous group. Dai was a proud and upbeat man. Like his son, he was overzealous, regularly using a nice guy pose, thanking people who were otherwise chiding him for his behavior or low rank. He believed strongly that one must have confidence in themselves in order to achieve anything. He also believed that one's true youth only ends when one turns their back on their beliefs and joy. Dai had a very strong relationship to his son, constantly pushing Gai to be his best and lifting his spirits when upset. A relationship that is parallel to Gai and his disciple Rock Lee. A committed man, he had no fear in facing his enemies nor in sacrificing his life for Might Guy's sake. Dai would pass on to Gai the belief that the truest expression of strength was not defeating a powerful opponent, but defending the ones he loved. Dai was a tall and well-built man with high cheekbones, a somewhat bulbous nose, dark hair, thick eyebrows, and noticeable body hair on his wrists and forearms. His hair was cut in a bowl style that was combed to his right and lifted slightly. He also sported a bristling mustache with a small goatee and stubble which made up the rest of his beard. He wore a green jumpsuit, orange striped leg warmers, and a yellow scarf around his neck. In the anime, it was said that Might Dai wasn't able to use both ninjutsu and genjutsu. He also failed simple missions. It was revealed that his poor performance was due to him secretly training to master the 8 gates every night, which has a common side effect of weakening the user for a prolonged period of time. Despite being genin ranked, Dai possessed great physical condition and prowess in taijutsu, allowing him to open all 8 gates, although he spent 20 years mastering it. While admitting to it being his only achievement, Dai was competent enough with his abilities to teach the Kinjutsu to his son, and later using it to fend off the entire 7 ninja swordsmen of the mist. In the anime, he killed 4 of its members. Might Dai's sacrifice left a huge impression on Guy. He continued his father's belief of maintaining one's spiritual youth as well as to persevere for a cause. Guy also formed a similar relationship with his student Rock Lee, as he did with his father, yet in reversed roles. Eventually, Rock Lee would pass on Might Dai's belief to his own son, Metal Lee. For Might Dai to undergo a daunting training process in the night and wake up every morning to do a mission proves that he fights with the power of youth. Might Dai, a supportive father that dashes forward with the power of youth. Might Dai is the type of father that will stay out with his son from dawn to dusk, cheering his son on every second while he trains. When I remember Might Dai, I always become emotional, passionate that I want to follow his philosophy. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video.